Hello everyone, this is FDM Learn here again, your guy. We are going to be talking about building durable 3D floors in this section of the course. And there are seven key things that I want you to pay attention to. I don't want you to finish this course and do a shoddy job and get people asking, who trained you? How did you know how to do this floor? No, I want you to finish and people say, wow, you were awesome. I love who trained you. See, the tone is different. So you need to pay attention to this section of the course. In this part of this course, I'll be teaching you seven key things you need to know or you need to pay attention to, things you need to avoid in order not to do a quack job. Amongst other things, but these seven things are things that people overlook, and 95% of failed jobs in 3D floors are traceable to one or more of these things I'm going to be talking to you about in this section of the course. So please pay attention. The first thing you need to avoid is poor surface preparation. Now, there's something called poor surface preparation. That's the process where you treat the base to make it a treated base. If you've been following from the previous slide or from previous course lecture, sorry, I told you that you must treat the base before you begin to prime the surface. Now, poor surface preparation must be avoided. Don't assume. We'll go into everything nitty gritty. Second thing to avoid is humidity, moisture, wetness of any kind, water, liquid of any kind on your work area while you're working. You must avoid that. You must also avoid a weak substrate. You must avoid using no or wrong primer. You must avoid using no or wrong primer. You must avoid an incompatible surface. You must avoid contaminated floors. You must also avoid faulty component mixes. All these things are things you must avoid. We will go into each one by one because I'll be talking about each one for about 2-3 minutes. We'll talk about each one and how to make sure that you don't fall prey to any of these seven things I've listed now. Just ensure that you don't fall prey. It's very important. Please avoid poor surface preparation, avoid moisture, humidity, avoid a weak substrate, avoid using no primer or the wrong primer, avoid incompatible surfaces, avoid contaminated floors, and avoid faulty component mixes. I told you that component A and component B are something that you will continue to come across in the course of this lecture. So each one, the components have a ratio, you need to mix them. Well, I'll get to that at the next section of the course. So just take note of these seven key things. They are very important if you want to build durable 3D floors. See you in the next slide. Bye.